The muscle car era, man, is it ending? I'm gonna talk about the muscle car. I'm gonna talk about the muscle car era, man, and see if it's ending, man. I feel like it might be coming to an end, man. Let me go ahead.
That's what they call me.
What it do? What it do? It's your boy Tlites. Oh yeah! Shout out to the Werewolf Gang. Big shout out to the Light Crew. You know how I feel about y'all, man. Shout out to the Light Crew. Shout out to the Werewolf Gang. We in this building. We in the building. Big ups to y'all for subscribing to my channel. And those who have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me give y'all a little, hit that little subscribe button. Big shout out to the man that started it all. The werewolf that started it all. Carnage. Let's see if we can't wake him up. He ain't been able to sleep that long, but. Carnage. Arise. Shout out to Carnage, man. Big shout out to Carnage, man. We gotta get our day going, man. What that camera looking like? It got that look. We wipe the camera off, man. My bad, y'all. We wipe that camera off, man. We get a real clear view of the great werewolf Carnage. But we ain't riding in Carnage today. I just cold start. I just wanted to cold start him and get him warmed up. He ain't been warmed up in a couple days. We gonna ride in the Magalini today. We rolling in Magalini today. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna talk a little bit about. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about the damn, I got the wrong keys. The muscle car era, man, is it ending? I'm gonna talk about the muscle car. I'm gonna talk about the muscle car era, man, and see if it's ending, man. I feel like it might be coming to an end, man. Let me go ahead and start up Magalini. Magalini, wake up for your daddy. Wake up for Big Daddy. Come on, baby. Yeah. Yeah, she woke up for Big Daddy. Wake up for me, baby. Yeah, we're gonna let her warm up a little bit. Yeah, she looking good too. You know she looking good, looking real good, looking real magnificent. Look at that. You know what's under there. Big boy Mustang, GT, bang the Mustang, had it tarping. You see all that white stuff out here. We can't let that shit hit on him. The SS is under there. You think I know it says a Hemi, but really it's the Super. The Super's under here. Yep. That's got water on there. We gotta get that water on the buffer there. That just can't sit on there like that now. That can't just sit on up there like that now. You got to go. The water got to go, baby. Try to player hate on us. The water try to player hate on us. Man, check my specifications, baby. Check my specifications, baby. You see it? Nike boots, man. Check my specifications, man. Woo-wee. Tlites World, man. Check me out, baby. I know I'm looking magnificent. I know I'm looking magnificent, man. Big shout out to everybody out there, man. I hope y'all receiving this video on blessed and no stress. You know what I'm saying? It's a lovely day out here. Lovely day. It's a lovely day in the neighborhood. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get back in the Magalini. That's what I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. I don't wanna hold y'all too long. Oh yeah, that's Reptile right there, man. Figured I'd let y'all see Reptile. But next time y'all see me, we'll be POVing in the Magnum. Ah. Well, we made it. We in the whip. Let's get it on, baby. Let me turn this air off. It ain't that damn cold in here. Yeah, man. Like I was saying before I was out of the car, you know what I'm saying? As you see, we in the Magnum, in case y'all was wondering. We in the Magalini today. We're gonna talk about Stellantis. You know, the French company that got the majority ownership in Dodge, you know what I'm saying? And from what I'm hearing, this is facts. They are definitely thinking of about to end the muscle car era. They might not be about to end it right now. They're gonna end the muscle car era for Dodge. I can't speak for Chevy and Ford, but Chevy is pretty much letting you know they about to be done with muscle cars anyway, because they already done pretty much. The Camaro, I think 2023 is the last year for the Camaro, so that's their only muscle car. But they're gonna keep the Corvette for a little while, because you know the Corvette's hot, so they definitely gonna keep the Corvette for a little while. But as far as The Camaro, that's gone. They already ended the SS V8 they had. That's already ended. And I don't know no other V8 cars that they only got no more V8 cars that I know of. And all they had was the Camaro, the Corvette, and the SS model, and they ended that a few years back, that SS model. So, and you know, Ford, all they got is the Mustang, and they got that the GTO, but that's their supercar, so they ain't gonna end that for a while. But as far as Dodge, we talking about Dodge, Stellantis, whatever you want to call it, they big on electric cars, you know, and as you know, Dodge don't really got, I don't think Dodge got no electric cars, to be truthful. I'm almost positive Dodge ain't got no electric cars. So the Stellantis, they big on electric cars. You know, they French company, and they like, you know, over there in France, it said they like they clean air. You know, they ain't really big on pollution. Not to say Americans are big on pollution, because we ain't big on pollution. We just like big V8s and stuff like that. But yeah, they big on electric cars, and they want electric cars. So they broke up the SRT. They say they broke them up, but they broke it up, but they not ending SRT. They gonna keep that badge, the SRT badge, because you know everybody want an SRT. So they definitely gonna keep that badge. But as far as the SRT group, they spread them out in the company. Now people say they just spread them out so they can help out in other areas. But you tell me this: when have you known a merger to work out for the smaller company that doesn't have the majority ownership? So Dodge don't have the majority ownership no more. So when you look at it, they spread the SRT guys out, yeah. And but those guys work on V8s and stuff. They not really big on V8s and performance. They ain't really big on electric cars. So you putting them in a spot where they not even familiar with. And on top of that, you know, when they was SRT and they had their own little area, they had a little bit of pull, they had a little bit of power in the company. They don't got no more power. That's why they split them up. They don't got no more power. They don't got no major say-so like that. Only way that they got major say-so is that whatever areas that they put them in, they made them the head person in that area. And we know that they didn't do that. So they don't have no more power. So they just along for the ride. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of them gonna end up quitting, you know what I'm saying, going to other companies like Chevy and Ford and stuff like that, or even smaller companies than that. They may go to smaller companies that still like V8s and stuff. Hell, I wouldn't be surprised to see them working with Toyota or something like that. But yeah, once you split somebody up, and once you split a group of people up that had a little bit of pull in the company, and then you put them in a different area, man, it's only a matter of time before they be like, man, I ain't even used to this. I ain't got no more pull. I ain't got no more say-so. So yeah, I don't see that working out too well. But as far as the SRT name, that ain't going nowhere. They gonna milk that till they can't milk it no more. They know that's a money maker. So of course they gonna throw the SRT badge on damn near anything now. You motherfuckers see a SRT minivan. Who never know? So be looking for that. But yeah. But as far as should you buy a Hellcat right now? Yeah, I mean, if you can afford it, buy it. But I don't see the Hellcat going anywhere for at least another 3 to 4 to 5 years, because they promised us a new generation Charger. So we know for sure that they got a new gen coming out, and that's supposed to come out 2023. But that was before they did this merger. So let's not count our chickens and put our eggs all in one basket. It could be that they may not even come out with a new Charger. And if they do come out with a new Charger, it may not have a V8 in it. It might be a V8, a V6 motor souped up. You know what I'm saying? So this might be the end of the Hemi era, which sucks to say, but it might be the end of the Hemi era, man. So I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, I mean, I would keep buying me. I would buy me a Hellcat. I'm gonna buy me a Hellcat eventually. As you know, I got a 392, and I got the Magalini that I'm in, and I got the GT Mustang, as well as a Jeep, and I got an SS Impala. But you know, I love V8s, so I'm always gonna be big on V8s. And then, you know, on top of that, you know, we might be scared that it's gonna be in the V8 era, but who knows? Stellantis may make a half electric, half V8 motor, so it could please everybody. When you want that V8, you want that V8 sound, but you still getting that great gas mileage. You know, it might be a 50-50 motor, so you never know. So we just can't say Stellantis is gonna be terrible for Dodge. We gotta at least give them a chance. But from my point of view with mergers, it don't usually work out that good for the smaller guy. usually the bigger person with the majority of the ownership is dictating everything. So they may not want to do, you know what I'm saying, big V8s and stuff like that. They may not want to do a V8 period. They may want to end all that. I know they're gonna keep Chargers and stuff because it's like the best selling car they got, Chargers and Challengers. I don't see them getting rid of those model cars anytime soon. But I'm pretty sure we got at least 3 to 4, maybe 5 years of V8s. I mean, V8 era is ending. Big motors, big gasoline guzzling motors. It's only a matter of time before those are gone. Man, you gotta go. You can go faster than that, little Jetta. Dang, you on some cruising? You got a Cadillac or something. Sorry about that, man. You know I don't like when people be going super slow, but she can do whatever she want to do. She live in her own world. But yeah, like I don't see big, huge V8s staying around. If V8s don't lead, they gonna end up being like half and half motors, half V8, half electric. You know what I'm saying? They gonna make them real fuel efficient. Not to say they ain't a fuel efficient right now, because I don't really get terrible gas mileage on in my 392. I don't get terrible gas mileage in it, so it's not the greatest, but it damn sure it could be worse. And so we just gotta wait and see, man, and cross our fingers that they don't end. You know what I'm saying? It's not the over with for the Hemi, but yeah, Stellantis is running things now, so they gonna do what they want to do. So as far as V8s, they numbers could be they days could be numbered. Or we might see a craziest V8 ever. They may end up coming out with a Hellcat that don't even need no supercharger, still pumping out 700 and something horsepower. So we gotta be patient, man. We can't be panicking, man. Let's not panic, Mopar people. We ain't gotta panic. We gonna be A-okay, yeah. You know, we still gonna be big werewolf gang, big old motors. Even if we got to go with the electric motors, man, we got to move with the times. We got to change with the times. If it just so happened that we got to end up going with the electric motors, we got to embrace that and go with it, man. I know we ain't going to have that V8 sound as long as we got the horsepower, man. That's what we here for, the horsepower. So we going to give Stellantis a chance. Hopefully they don't fumble the ball, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully they don't get the ball and fumble it, you know what I mean? That's what I'm hoping. But you never know, man. With these new companies, man, they rushing into this electric world. You know, it's only in America, it's only 1% of our cars are electric. So I don't know why everybody's so big into the rush. And I'm really not sure that our infrastructure is really ready for massive electric cars. But hey, who am I? I don't know that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a little guy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not sure if we ready for that. But I mean, we're gonna see. Only time will tell. You know what I mean? We can't just rush to judgment. We can't be all scary and worried about what's gonna happen, man. We just gotta, you know what I'm saying? We can worry, but we just can't be making it let's not make it such a big deal, man. Let's not make it a big deal, man. I'm finna run in this bank real quick, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. Well, I'm back. Handled that little business in there, you know what I'm saying? Had to handle that little business. A little business. But yeah, like I was saying, man, I don't think we got too much to worry about when it comes to muscle cars for at least the next 3 or 4 years. But after that, man, we might see an extinction of muscle cars, you know what I'm saying? Somebody text me. Yeah, see, we might see an extinction. But that's all part of the game, man. You know, the muscle car era came and went the first time it came, and it's gonna come and go again. That's just part of life, baby. So we just gotta enjoy them while we can. And when they say ain't no more muscle cars, we gotta buy them up like hotcakes. You know what I'm saying? We gotta buy them bad boys up like straight up hotcakes. Cause I'm definitely gonna get me a Cat or a ZL1 or 500 GT 500. I said I couldn't even talk for a second. I'm definitely gonna snatch me up one of those bad boys. That's factual and actual, you know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna get one of those, but I wouldn't panic though. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. She was looking at me all crazy because I had the camera on my head. She looking at me all crazy. I should have rolled down the window and said POV, POV. But yeah, I gotta run in Walmart real quick, man. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too much more, man. I just wanted to speak on this Stellantis. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I just wanted to speak on the French company that's maybe trying to end Mopar horsepower forever Let's hope not, but they might be trying to put us in a chokehold and choke us out, and there will be no more muscle cars coming out of the Mopar garage. But I don't know, man. That's a nice ass Jeep. He got that thing sitting high. Or wait, hold on. She got that thing sitting high. I see you, baby girl. I see you, baby. Don't hurt him. Yeah, man, I gotta run into Walmart, man. You know, I don't even like going to this motherfucker. I ain't even gonna lie. I gotta run in here, man, and see if I can't get this little torque wrench. I don't know why I'm getting it from Walmart. But shit, I'm right by Walmart, so I said, fuck it, I'll go ahead and get it from here. Hopefully, I don't buy me a torque dud. I gotta do a little mod on the whip on Carnage, so I gotta get that torquey dorky. But yeah, man. For all my people that's worrying, man, don't worry, man. Turn your worries off, man. No need to stress. We gonna be all right. Look at that, man. Ain't nothing but nice Jeeps out here today. They done brought out all the nice Jeeps today. Look at that Jeep. That hard. That thing hard. Dang. Let me roll the window down. Dang. What is that on? That motherfucker on some 30. I don't even know what it's on. It looked like some 37s. That motherfucker hard though. Man, that thing hard. I know everybody looking at me like, man, he's stalking the Jeep. You ain't never lied. I'm stalking it like a predator, you know what I'm saying? I'm stalking that bad boy like a young predator. But yeah, man, is that another Jeep, man? We going Jeep crazy out here today, man. They got the purple durple. That motherfucker nice too, boy. I see you, baby. I see you, baby. I see you, baby. Roll this one up, man. But yeah, man. I figured I'd hit y'all up with a little bit of that intel on that on the Stellantis thing. And hopefully you found this information I gave you helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this fireball video. But yeah, man, let me turn this car off. Hopefully if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you will subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, hit that like button. If you enjoyed this video, hit me with a comment. Let me know how you felt about this video. Let me know what you feel about the Stellantis situation with the Mopar. Let me know if you think Hellcats and Scatpacks and RTs are a dying breed. I do. I'm keeping it real. We only got, like I said, 3 to 5 years. And after that, we may not see no more horsepower like this. Coming from a V8, we're going to still see the horsepower, but we ain't going to see the V8 horsepower. But with that being said, man, you know I got to leave y'all with some of that positivity. Stay away from negative Ned and negative Nancy. You know what they do. They will ruin your life, man. We out here trying to live, so we got to stay away from the suckers. Always believe in yourself. Don't ever let nobody tell you what you can't do. Show them what you can do. Always shoot for the sky, man. The sky's not the limit, but you got to set your goals somewhere. So go ahead and reach the sky, and after that, go to the universe, and after that, go to where we don't even know. But with that being said, man, shout out to the werewolf gang. Big shout out to the light crew, and it's your boy Tlites. Oh yeah, and I'm out this piece. Jittig.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never